Hi, 2-3s. Welcome back for another day of Fundations. As you know, I'm Sarah. We're going to be doing a couple of things today. The first thing we're going to do is going to learn and practice some new trick words. Then we're going to go over the worksheet that you're going to be working on in Seesaw today. Are you ready? All right. First trick word we have is great. Get those skywriting fingers up. We're going to skywrite the word great. G-R-E-A-T. What's the word? Great. Great job. All right, the second word we have today is country. We've been learning about several new countries in our social studies unit, learning about different immigration stories, right? So put those skywriting fingers up. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. What's the word? Country. Good job. All right, the last trick word for today, we have away. Away. When you go on vacation, you go away, don't you? All right, fingers up. Here we go. A, W, A, Y. What's the word? Away. Beautiful. Excellent job. All right, so I am going to share my screen so we can look at our worksheet that we're going to be doing today in Seesaw. All right, so today you're going to be working on marking the concepts that you've learned about. We've been learning about the D syllable or the double vowel syllable, right? Which also we've learned called vowel teams, but not to be confused. We're going to call these D syllables. We've also learned about some homophones, so two words that sound the same but are spelled differently, right? So we're going to be marking those today. So let's read the directions to start. Read each word or homophone pair. So you're going to start by reading each word or the homophone pairs. Then you're going to scoop and mark the syllables in the base word. Let's look at this word braiding in the example. The base word here is braid. So I would scoop that base word. Then you're going to watch to see if it's a double vowel syllable or a D syllable, and you'll mark that. So in order to mark the double vowel or D syllable, you would scoop it, circle the double vowel, and then put a little D underneath your scoop. Now, some of them have suffixes, so we'll also want to circle our suffix. For example, in the word braiding, our suffix or our ending sound is ing, ing. So I am circling that. If you have any blends in any of your words, if you see any words that have two consonants that are next to each other and each consonant makes its own separate sound, as we see here in the word stray, STR are all consonants, but they each make their own sound. So you would put a separate line under each letter. All right, it says the last row includes nonsense words, but I'm not going to include that for you today. We're just going to do these three lines of words. You're going to practice those. So remember, you're going to scoop the base words, and then you'll mark your syllable, either D syllable, or if you come down here to these homophones, you might see a D syllable, or you might see a vowel consonant E. So you'll need to decide which one it is. You'll also mark any suffixes and any blends that you may see, any consonant blends. If you have any other questions, be sure to leave me a message on your Seesaw and I can help answer any questions. All right, have fun today. I can't wait to see what you work on.